In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PDF files showing as Google Chrome. If your PDFs keep opening in Chrome or they all have the Chrome icon in Finder, what you're seeing is simply a default app association. macOS is opening .pdf files with Chrome by default. The good news is that you can change this system-wide setting in a few clicks using Finder's Get Info panel, and it only takes a moment. Start by locating any PDF file in Finder. It can be any document with the .pdf extension. Right-click the file or hold the Control key and click if you're using a single-button trackpad. From the menu that appears, select Get Info. This opens a detailed panel about that file, and it's where you'll adjust how macOS handles all PDFs. In the Get Info window, look for the section labeled Open With. If it looks collapsed, click the small disclosure triangle to expand it. You'll see a drop-down menu showing the app currently set to open this file type. Click that drop-down and choose the PDF application you prefer, such as Preview, which is built into macOS, or Adobe Acrobat Reader if you have it installed. Selecting the right app here ensures your PDFs open with the tools and features you rely on, like accurate rendering, page thumbnails, annotation tools, and reliable printing. At this point, the change you made applies only to that one file. To make it the default for all PDFs on your Mac, click the Change All button just below the drop-down. macOS will ask you to confirm, explaining that this will set your chosen app as the default for every file with a .pdf extension. Click Continue to confirm. This updates the system-wide association, so double-clicking any PDF from now on will open it in the app you picked, and the icons in Finder should update to match that application. A few notes to keep in mind. This adjustment doesn't modify or convert your files. It simply tells macOS which app to use when you open them. It applies to the current user account and can be changed again at any time by repeating these steps. If you recently installed an app that took over PDFs, this is the cleanest way to take control back. And if you ever want to check whether the change worked, just double-click a PDF or select it and press the spacebar to preview, then open it and confirm the correct app launches. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. Now your PDFs should open exactly where you want them to.